Okay, so we're going to be performing spark plugs on a 1999 Mercury Grand Marquis GS. Okay, so we're going to start with the 7mm. Going to go ahead and remove all the bolts to the coils on all four. So I loosen them. I'm going to go ahead and go with the magnetic so they don't fall. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the side. Okay, so after I remove all four bolts to the coils, I'll go ahead and remove the connector. So all it is you just push this on the bottom and it just slides out. Okay, so after that we're going to go ahead push it slightly to the side so we can take them out. So there's one, there's two, three, and this back one you just want to maneuver it like so, like that. So now with the 5/8 spark plug socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the spark plugs. So I'm going to go ahead and use my electric ratcheting ratchet, speed up the process. We're going to do that to all four. So we got our old one out. We want to make sure to combine the new ones, make sure they're alike, which they are. So we're going to go ahead and install our new spark plugs. You always want to hand tie them first. Make sure you catch some threads first. You can feel it when it does. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my electric ratchet slowly so it stops. Like that. Because we're going to torque them. So we're going to go ahead and torque these to 17mm. Okay, so now we're going to go and install back our coils. If we're going to replace the coils, you can replace them now. I'm just going to replace two of them. So make sure you set it all the way down. So after they're pushed all the way down, I'm going to go ahead and drop in our bolts. The same thing with our 7mm. Going to go ahead and slap them back on. put them back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so on this side, we just gotta remove the intake boot right here. So all you do is grab a 8mm, loosen it here, loosen this one, and then there's a breather hose back here. Just pull it up, and then on this side, you just move it like that. After that, you can go ahead and remove it. And then after that, we have 4 coils right here, and it's the same thing on that side.